Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into Rar or Zip archives using app called Rar on your Vivo Y76 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. We can find a few pictures here, and now in order to pack them, select the files that you want to pack by pressing on this button right here. So I've picked 3 of them, and now I'm gonna press on this plus button, and here we can start creating our Rar file. So now choose the name for your file. It's gonna be pictures. The next thing is to choose extension of our file. It can be Rar Zip or Rar 4.x. I'm going with Rar. You can set the password for the file, make it simple for me, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. If you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, you can show the password or encrypt the file names. Press OK to save that, and now we can move to delete files after archiving or create solid archive. These are 2 settings you can enable right here. In advanced, you can find more settings, and in the options you can find more options. In the comments, you can leave any comment about your Rar or Zip file, and now in order to actually pack it, we'll need to press OK, and the files will be packed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.